Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today, in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can create our first project in the Siemens TIA portal and download it into the PLC Advanced SIM using the S7 1500 PLC controller. This tutorial is designed for the beginner and cover project creation, hardware configuration, basic programming, and the simulation. So let's jump to our configuration, how we can configure the TIA portal if we want to use the PLC SIM Advanced. So I will open the TIA portal application. So I will click here, create a new project, and I will write my project name. For example, I will write my project 02 and I will keep it default path. You want to change, you can click it here and change it. I will just keep it default. Then click here over the create. Now our the first step is to create and open the project that is completed. Now we'll jump to the second step. Click here over device and network and then click here add new device. Now I will expand here the S7 1500. Now you can select any of the controller. For example, in this tutorial, I will select this Profinet controller. This controller have the Profinet interface. So then click here to add. I will uncheck this protect confidential PLC configuration data and then click next. Then again next, and I will disable access control. Click OK, and then click finish. Now we'll move to our second phase, that is PLC programming. I will go here, expand this program block and open the main OB1. And here I will write a just simple program. For example, okay. So I will write here, write PMP1 start and right click define and select the global memory and click over the define. And here I will write PMP1 stop input, enter, then again enter, and then click right click and click over the define tag. And in section, I will select the global memory and click over the define. Then I will select it PMP1 output out and click define, select the global here in this case I will select the global out and it will automatically define the available output address, and then I will select it same press enter key. Okay, I will save this project, compile it. Okay, get is zero error, zero warning. Now my programming part is completed. Now I will go to the controller configuration. I will select the controller, and the first I will configure the IP address of my controller, Ethernet 1. And for example, I will select my controller IP address is 14. So this address I selected 0.14. So then next I will go down here in the protection and security, and then connection mechanism, and here the permit access with the PGPC communication for the remote partner. I will just click yes, and after that here in the right project property in the protection, and click here support simulation during the block compilation. Click OK and save it. Now I will minimize it. I will open the PLC SIM Advanced. Okay, so I will select the TCP IP single adapter, and after that you can select either local or the Ethernet 0. In this tutorial I'm selecting the default local one. Okay, and then um, click here the start simulation PLC instance, and yes, here I will write the name, for example S7 PLC, and then I will configure here the IP address same that I configure inside the TIA portal. If I will come here, you can see 0.14 I configure it. So here I will also put the same IP address. Subnet, just rest other, just keep it default. Here all the multiple controller option we have, but right now I will configure in the S7 PLC family. So that's it. And before start this instance, you must have to check what is the configuration of the your this TCP adapter related to PLC SIM Advanced. Right click and here write ncpa.cpl, and here you can see we have two network adapters. So in previous tutorial video, we saw how we can use this network adapter to download inside the physical controller. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how we can use uh, PLC SIM Advanced to download our program in the virtual controller. So right click property, then TCP IP P4, and here you have to put the same subnet of that you put for your controller. For example, I will put it 192.168.0 dot suppose I will put it like 4 uh 4 or 7, I think you can put it. Okay, okay, click OK and close it, and also close, and now click here over the stop. So our instance is right now running. I will just check it. I will just ping this instance at the IP address to make sure it's a reachable dot 0.14. Okay. So now I will go back to my PLC program and I will select the controller and click here over the download. So now we will select here PGPC interface and we will select the same Siemens PLC SIM virtual Ethernet adapter. And here you can see is find our controller. Just select the controller and click over the load and click connect. Okay. So just click over the load. Then here in action, here the start module, select the start module and click over the finish. Then click here in the go online and then click here over the monitor. And if you click here over the PLC SIM Advanced, right now you can see the status is running. That once we create this instance, it was showing the orange icon. This was not showing the uh, like the running status. So right now, if I will right click and on here, you can see if I will turn off it, select off. Here you can see once I input is true on that time, my output is latch. Once the input signal is off, my still output is latch. Output is on until I will not press the stop button. If I will press the stop button, now you can see my output is the off. We'll discuss in detail this all different types of uh, logics and we'll learn how we can configure it in the coming up tutorial video. So, Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure S7 1500 controller in the PLC SIM Advanced. Thanks for watching this video.